front of me is Black Shark 5, and today I would like to show you how you can use App Cloner on this device. You need to start by accessing Settings. Now scroll down and click on Apps section. Then click on Dual Apps and choose Create. Following that, just click on the switcher next to an app that you want to clone. I will go with DevCheck. Then just turn on and wait. Now when I go back and try to access my DevCheck app, you can see that it was successfully cloned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!